Hello guys, I'm back with another interesting interview question. So let's jump into the today's question. So better understanding, I will explain it here. Basically, this question being asked by one of the service-based company. So, so the question is, so basically we have an input table like where we have date of year and name column is there, and the output should be in this specific format basically. So here, if the number of record is given, then it will add first and second row, third and fourth row, and so on, so forth. If the total number of records present in the table, basically I'm referring. So if the number of records are odd, the last record will not concatenate with any of the other row in the table. So what does it mean? So basically, so here you can able to see the final in the final output column. So here the first row is 2000, date of year is 2000, and employee's name is 0, so it should be concatenate with each other with one of the separator hyphen and comma. The second row, it will be concatenate in the same fashion, that's 2001 hyphen employee 1. So basically here the number of record is 9, so basically it's odd. So the total number of record is odd. So here it will concatenate first, get it done by the help of the SQL functions. So basically we have a function, analytical function called entile. So entile is an analytical function which will help us to group and concatenate. It's like joining the two column, and string underscore aggregate is, it will basically aggregate the string in a column. So let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio to write the code. So this is basically the table. So what we have to do first, so we have to create a bucket. I'll make it the 5 number of bucket to be created, and each bucket will have as much as possible the same number of a record. So as it's an analytical function, so it will be written in the overclose, and we will mention in which order it should take. So basically I want to take it in the year, date of birth underscore year column. So just I'll mention one alias grouping column, and I'll just mention star from this table, and let's run it to see how it will be grouping the number of the records. So basically here the first I have mentioned the 5 bucket, so it has been created 5 bucket, and each bucket is having as much as possible same number of record. So first bucket is having record number 1, record number 2, and second bucket is having third and fourth record. And as this is the odd number of records are present in that particular table, so the last record is having only, so the last bucket is having only one record here. So now what we have to do is, now we have to concatenate these two column, first and second column. So what I have to write here, basically we will concat, and we'll mention the column. The first column is dob underscore year, and the second, I need one hyphen in between these two column. So that's the reason I mention hyphen with string. And here now I will mention one alias name here. So basically dob underscore year underscore suppose name I'll mention for better understanding. So now what I'll do, I'll just run it. See now. So I'll I'll also run I'll also mention the star so that you will able to understand what is going on. So basically now we have concatenate first and second column, that is dob underscore year and name column, and in between this column there is a hyphen is there. So now what we have to do is, now we have to say aggregate the string on the basis of this group. So what I will do now, I have to hold this result. I'll make a CT from CT temporary table, so which will hold the interview Now this intermediate result has been stored inside the common table expression. So what I will do now, we will write the string aggregate function to aggregate this particular column that is already concatenated, and we will do the concatenation, like we will do the aggregate by the help of the comma of each of the row that should be aggregated with the help of the comma, and we'll give some good alias name, that is final. Suppose I will give the final column, and from this CTE, basically CTE underscore A, and I'll do the group by. So if I'll not do the group by, let's see what will be the output. See, now it's everything is coming in the one single row because it has been aggregated the strings with the help of this comma. We can able to see. So 2000 hyphen employee 0 comma 2001 hyphen employee 1. So but what I need is, I need it should be as per my expected output. So that's the reason I have used the entile and to group it the number of the records. As per the number of the records, I have used the entile to group this number of the records. So if I will group it, so let's see how it will be the result is. So now if we'll see the expected result, here the result is same as the expected. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.